Hello, and welcome to a P11D Organiser tutorial. A quick and easy way to become a P11D expert. We will be covering these topics in today's video. Please sit back, relax, and let us do the explaining.
Sometimes you just want to add a benefit without having to import a load of things into the system. This can be done by clicking on the big green plus sign on the right-hand side of the screen when on an employee or employee lookup. This will allow you to add a benefit and a benefit description if needed to an employee. You can also select what benefit type to add from the drop-down. In this window, you can create a brand new benefit description if you need to by clicking on the Add button on the left side of the screen. You can apply the benefit to the employee in question by clicking the OK button on the right side of the screen. This screen is the benefit dressing screen. When we say dress a benefit, we mean to give the benefit the required attributes for the employee, such as premium, availability, etc. Clicking Save applies the benefit to that person. If you tick this box, it does the same but saves it for the whole lookup.
Thank you for watching. For more information, you can go to our support website, support.p11dorganiser.co.uk.